Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fidelity Fast Access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Fidelity's website, www.fidelity.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the website loads, look for the Login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you prefer, there is an option to remember your username for future logins. After entering your credentials, click the blue Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your Fidelity account dashboard. If you forget your username or password, click on the respective links for assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once logged in, you can access your investment details and accounts. Enjoy managing your finances with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.